Hey guys, this is Eric with Weiss Van Jam Adventures, and wanted to bring up something else that I found that to me is a little problem or disturbing to try to just fix and get rectified. It's the battery terminals for the Eco, the Freedom package, the lithium batteries. I have a 144 van 4x4. So if you go right next to the sink and pop open this little piece, you'll see where your inverter is, and there's your terminal. As you can see, the red wires over here towards that side and the negative over here. So that's positive, negative. They're pretty close together and they are live. And there's no cover to them. So there's a couple ways to sit there and do this. I am going to be using probably a rubber mat, just a regular generic rubber mat you can get at a hardware store. You can get larger, these are a little too small, but larger terminal covers, you know, for batteries. Because if a screwdriver, or if you had wedged in here a knife, goes across that and shorts out, that 600 amp hours of batteries you're shorting out, that's going to theoretically catch on fire, in my opinion. And underneath there, you have diesel or you have gas, depending on your vehicle. So what I'm going to do, I have this easy, flexible rubber mat. I'm going to typically just now fit it within that distance from the inverter here over and lay it flat to fill this whole compartment up, just that side of the inverter, not the airflow, and protect that. Then you can actually place things on top of it, and probably lower this attachment I'll have where we can lay extra equipment here. I'm also coming up with a video that's going to show us how to get the heat from here, this inverter, out through the hole there, out to the vent. That there's a vent at the very bottom of the van in the back, a round circle. But I would just be careful between the negative and a positive. As you can see, once again, it's pretty close. That's 12 volts. I put a meter on it, my fluke meter, and it's 12 volts. And I have 6 batteries in the bottom, so they're in parallel. So I have 600 amp hour worth of battery. That is bad if anything metal touches those two. So think about getting a rubber mat. You can cut it, fold it, and cover it and try to protect it. All right, any questions? Let me know. Talk to you. Once again, I think this is a half a beer, but I'll make it into a 2 beer project.